Ever dreamed of having your own lemon tree bursting with fresh, zesty fruit? What if I told you there's a surprisingly simple trick to grow, one right from a cutting, and get it producing faster than you think? Stay tuned, because today we're revealing the secrets to easily propagating your own lemon trees. Growing from seed can be a long, unpredictable process. Cuttings, however, offer a fantastic shortcut. You get a genetic clone of the parent tree, meaning you know exactly what kind of lemons you'll get, and it establishes much quicker. The first crucial step is selecting the right cutting. Look for a healthy semi-hardwood branch, about 6 to 8 inches long. That's about the thickness of a pencil. Avoid very new, soft growth or old, woody branches. Once you have your cutting, remove all but the top 2-3 leaves. This minimizes moisture loss and focuses the plant's energy on root development. Make a clean, angled cut at the bottom, just below a leaf node. While not strictly necessary, dipping the cut end in rooting hormone significantly boosts your chances of success. It stimulates root growth and protects against fungal infections. For your potting medium, choose something well-draining. A mix of peat moss and perlite or a specialized seed-starting mix works perfectly. Fill a small pot with your chosen medium. Make a small hole in the center of your potting mix with a stick or your finger. Gently insert the prepared cutting about 2 to 3 inches deep, ensuring at least one node is buried. Firmly but gently press the soil around the cutting. Water thoroughly until moisture drains from the bottom. Now, here's the trick. Create a mini greenhouse effect. Cover the pot and cutting with a plastic bag or a clear plastic dome to maintain high humidity. This is crucial for rooting. Place your covered cutting in a warm spot with bright, indirect light. Avoid direct scorching sun, which can cook your tender cutting. A windowsill with dappled light or a grow light setup works well. Now comes the test of patience. Check the soil periodically and mist the inside of the plastic if it looks dry. Rooting can take anywhere from 4 weeks to a few months. How do you know if it's worked? Gently tug on the cutting. If you feel resistance, congratulations, it's likely rooted. You might also see new leaf growth. Once well-rooted, it's time to transplant. Carefully move your new lemon tree into a slightly larger pot with good quality potting soil. Continue to provide bright, indirect light as it adjusts. Lemon trees love consistent moisture but hate soggy feet. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Once established, feed with a balanced citrus fertilizer during growing seasons. As your tree grows, gradually introduce it to more sunlight. Lemon trees thrive on at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun per day once mature. If growing indoors, consider a south-facing window or grow lights. Lemons are sensitive to cold. If you live in a frosty climate and grow your tree outdoors, be prepared to bring it inside or provide frost protection when temperatures drop. Pruning isn't just for aesthetics. It encourages branching and fruit production. Remove any dead or diseased branches and trim to maintain an open, airy canopy. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids or spider mites. A simple solution of neem oil or insecticidal soap can often take care of them. Healthy plants are more resilient. Imagine plucking your very own homegrown lemon fresh from your tree. The satisfaction is incredible and the flavor unmatched. While many lemon varieties root well, Meyer lemons are often a popular choice for their sweet, less acidic fruit and good container growing habits. Eureka and Lisbon are also excellent options. If your leaves are turning yellow, it could be overwatering, underwatering, or a nutrient deficiency. Check your soil moisture first, then consider a balanced fertilizer. Patience is key! Young trees may focus on vegetative growth before fruiting. Ensure adequate sunlight, proper fertilization, and consider hand pollination if growing indoors. Beyond the joy of growing, homegrown lemons mean no pesticides, unparalleled freshness, and an endless supply for cooking, baking, drinks, and more. While rooting takes weeks, your cutting will become a sturdy small tree in about a year, and depending on the variety, could start producing fruit within 2-3 years. Many home gardeners have successfully propagated lemon trees this way. It's a rewarding project that truly connects you to your food. To recap, choose a healthy cutting. Prepare it well, use a good potting mix. Create high humidity and provide indirect light. Patience is your best friend. Don't be intimidated. Give this simple trick a try. You might be surprised at how easy it is to bring the sunshine and flavor of a lemon tree into your home or garden. If you try this method, we'd love to hear about your progress in the comments below. Share your tips and your future lemon harvests with our community. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy growing!